primary tools that you're going to need is a cable stripper, RJ45 crimper, and a cable tester. Take your Cat 5 cable, strip it back about 3 inches, separate the individual pairs, separate the individual wires. With a screwdriver, pull the shaft along the length of the wire to straighten it. This is the color code arrangement from left to right: white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Arrange the wires in their respective color code order. Keep the wires flat between your index finger and thumb. Slide the load bar onto the wires. Trim the wire back from the load bar about 3/8 of an inch. Wrap the shield around the back half of the cable. Use a pair of needle nose to flatten the cable so it goes inside the RJ45 connector easier. After shoving the cable into the RJ45 connector, you should be able to see copper from the wires from the top view. After the cable's in position in the RJ45 connector, crimp it. Slide the boot up around the connector. Also note, when you repeat the other end, make certain that you put the boot on before you crimp the connector. Plug the cable into the cable tester, and with a little luck, should have no faults or cross wiring.